The war is over, the guns have fallen silent. Israel and Iran both claim victory. Both nations are now counting the costs, assessing the damage and preparing for the next round. Israel is a powerful nation with an advanced military, but there's no doubt that the 12-day Iran-Israel war has reshaped power equilibriums. Iran has emerged as the new global missile superpower. Let's take a look.
In a dramatic escalation that has rattled military planners from Tel Aviv to Washington, Iran has unveiled and unleashed its so-called monster missile. A weapon that not only dwarfs its predecessors in sheer destructive power, but also signals Tehran's arrival as a true missile superpower. The Khorramshahr-4, Iran's latest and largest ballistic missile, roared into headlines after being fired in a barrage targeting Israel moments after US airstrikes on Iranian nuclear sites. With a declared range of 2,000 kilometers and a staggering 1,500 kilogram warhead, this missile is built for impact and intimidation. But what truly sets it apart is its advanced payload. A dispersing warhead system capable of raining dozens of submunitions over a vast area, saturating targets and overwhelming even the most sophisticated missile defenses. This missile reportedly released a deadly shower of bomblets that pounded military and infrastructure targets across a 6-kilometer radius in Haifa and Tel Aviv, including the Ben Gurion Airport and critical command centers. The monster missile operates at blistering speeds, reaching up to Mach 8 within the atmosphere, and can be launched from mobile platforms, making it a nightmare to track and intercept. With this weapon, Iran has not only shattered the illusion of Israeli invulnerability, but has also redrawn the balance of power in the region. As the dust settles, one thing is clear. The monster missile has made Iran a force to be reckoned with in the world's missile order. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.